Imagine waiting day by day as your mental health deteriorates for 6 to 9 months for your NHS referral to be fulfilled or even rejected. Or perhaps you're too afraid to approach your employer to access your employee wellbeing program out of fear of stigma, taboo, or even losing your job. As a GP, seeing my own patients deteriorate whilst they wait months for their NHS therapy referral to be fulfilled, often getting worse and needing medication, I thought to myself there must be another way. And that's why I founded Mynurva, which is completely transforming the digital mental health space by providing fast access to therapy securely, confidentially, and discreetly.
At Mynurva, we are constantly striving to make mental health therapy more accessible. We believe in challenging the system. We want to provide mental health care with no long waiting times, no tick boxes, and no discharge targets. We believe that immediate intervention is key in preventing the deterioration of mental health. Our service provides fast access, where clients paired with a therapist from the same day. 7 days a week appointments available, including evenings. A national network of UK-based multilingual therapists. An NHS-tested service with scalable technology. A turnkey solution with custom branding of the entire platform for your needs.
Mynurva planned their technology for growth. It was built to work across different time zones, it was built to scale for very large numbers of users, and it was built securely with end-to-end encryption.
We made a service that's totally confidential, encrypted, and available out of hours and on weekends.
Okay, Dr. Zainza Kathy, it's so lovely to talk to you and good luck with the business. Thank you very much indeed.
Independent NHS pilot study run in conjunction with the University of Plymouth and Kerno Health Digital Testbed also demonstrated positive quantitative outcomes after using Mynurva's services, with 85% reliable improvement, 99.5% client satisfaction, and 78% reliable recovery. We also have an excellent history of working with partners across various industries, including education, charities, insurance, and corporate companies. See what our partners have to say. Mynurva also continues to support the University of Glasgow, with our service expanding 4 times to meet the needs of their student body, both in the UK and internationally.
So I invested in Mynurva as an angel investor last year, and I'm also the advisory board member for Mynurva. The mental health space and the vision to transform the provision of mental health internationally was something that resonated with me. It's always been a key issue. And certainly since the pandemic, that has been brought to the forefront. There's a significant lack of access to provision of mental health, and what Mynurva aspire to do is exactly provide the market with that solution.
So come and join us on this incredibly exciting time. Be part of our journey and come help us transform mental health globally.